Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the makeup routine of the incredible Alysa Liu, who's not only a skating sensation but also a style icon. I'm super excited to break down her signature smoky eye look, which is not only stunning but also surprisingly simple to achieve. So, what's the secret behind Alysa's iconic eye makeup? Well, it all starts with a $15 multi-stick from Sephora. This affordable product is a game changer, creating a subtle gray wash over the lids and under the eyes. Personally, I love how she uses a single product to achieve a soft, blended base. It's a great tip for anyone who wants a quick and easy eye look. But here's where it gets interesting. Alysa then adds a bold statement with a waterproof gel eyeliner from Rare Beauty. She carefully applies it to both the upper and lower lash lines, creating a subtle cat eye. This is a classic technique, but what stands out is her attention to detail. She takes her time to drag the liner out, ensuring a precise and defined shape. In my opinion, this is a great reminder that sometimes less is more, especially when it's executed with precision. Now, here's a fun twist. Alysa uses an eyebrow pencil from Rare Beauty to define her natural egiosal, which is a unique feature of her look. This multi-purpose product is a great hack, as it not only shapes her brows but also adds depth to her eye area. What many people don't realize is that these small details can make a huge difference in the overall impact of your makeup. To finish the eyes, she applies a tubing mascara from Tarte, which she claims has replaced fake lashes for her. This product is a game changer, giving her a dramatic effect without the hassle of false lashes. What makes this really interesting is how she achieves a high-impact look with such simple techniques and affordable products. But Alysa's beauty secrets don't stop at her eyes. She also shares her contouring technique, using a cool-tone Sephora stick and a Rare Beauty foundation brush. This cream-to-powder formula is not only easy to blend but also lightweight, making it perfect for everyday wear. I appreciate how she emphasizes the importance of a natural-looking contour, especially for those who want a subtle definition. The final touch is a light champagne highlight from Rare Beauty, applied sparingly to create a natural glow. Alysa's key to success here is using a minimal amount to ensure a subtle yet effective look. This is a great reminder that sometimes less product can create a more stunning effect. In summary, Alysa Liu's beauty routine is a perfect example of how simplicity and attention to detail can create a signature look. She proves that you don't need an extensive collection of products or complicated techniques to achieve a stunning makeup look. From my perspective, her approach is not only practical but also incredibly inspiring for anyone looking to enhance their natural beauty.